What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
but before we get into this video, I know I did not post last week because I wanted to respect everything that's going on in this country and that has been going on for years in this country, and also pay my respects to George Floyd and all the other innocent black people who have lost their lives due to police brutality. And I didn't feel like it was right if I posted anything last week and pushing y'all to watch my videos and not actually pay attention to the news and everything you're seeing on social media. I do understand that it is still a very sensitive time in this country, and I do understand that everything is still being pushed just as hard as last week, but I did want to make it known that I am for my people and I am with my people, and I always will be. But last week was just to pay respect for everything that's going on and for this Black Lives Matter movement to really be pushed and for us to actually be heard like we should be. And also during this time, since we're still going through this, and it wasn't just last week we're going through this, I will leave links down in the description box to petitions that you can sign to help support Black Lives Matter. So that will be listed down below for those who would like to, and for those who may not be sure how to advocate and speak out during this time. So if you don't know how you can support other than just posting posts or reposting or sharing posts, I will leave petitions down below. And if you are, pro-black and you do want to just sign petitions, and be for your people. So now that that is out the way, let's get into this video. As you all read by the title today, y'all know we're here. I'm here to show y'all a braided low bun situation. I've never done this hairstyle on myself before. I've done things similar to it. We'll see how this goes. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm only using 2 products today because honestly, my hair is fine. I mean, I know it don't look like it's fine. I just put product, like a whole bunch of product on it. Like this past weekend, so I was about 4 or 5 days ago, and I don't want to be putting a whole bunch of product on it just because I'm doing a new hairstyle. Ooh, I forgot my coconut oil. So I'm only using, well, now 3 products today. Like I told y'all, gave out explanation earlier. No need for me to keep talking about something I've already talked about. I'm going to be using the same products I used to do my mini twist. And if you haven't seen my mini twist video, go watch it. The link to that will be in the description box down below as well. The only difference is I'm not using the coconut curling cream or the moisturizing lotion. I'm using the conditioning creamy hair lotion. That's the only different thing I'm still using the honey one. The honey actually worked on my hair. I didn't have any flaking or anything like that, so that was fine. And of course I'm using my Softee Coconut Oil as always. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know how I'm going to start. this braided back bun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.